Hey, so in this video I'm going to show you how to download this on your phone and add it to Minecraft. This is strictly for MC packs, and I will tell you later in the video how you can download add-ons that have both resource and behavior packs. Alright, let's get started. So first off, what you do is you have to download FX File Explorer. After you download that, go ahead and find the mod you want. I'm using mcpedal.com. Or not the mod, sorry, add-on. And for the sake of the video, I'm going to use this one. So, you have to make sure it supports the Minecraft version that you have. After that, you click download. Some of these will make you complete certain things to get it, and it's kind of a pain, but this one doesn't, so that's kind of nice. I just download it right away, but my phone's being dumb. Luckily, oh, there we go. Okay, so save the downloads. There. And it's downloaded. So I'm gonna open FX File Explorer. Go to download, find the download I just did. Let's see. Here it is. I'm gonna click it, open with application Minecraft. That's all you really gotta do, and I'm gonna show you it's on here. While this is loading, the only way you can download the .zip or the zip files, which are the behavior and resource packs, is if you root your phone. This is for Android. You can also jailbreak it, which is for Apple devices. Create new world. But yeah, after you root your phone, then you can actually access your files and permissions, but your normal OS does not allow you to do that. And here it is, speedometer for Minecraft. Activate.